Okatakyie Afrifa nkasa de unhu se wo yen this ni so yen NPP ni o ase haya yi no okọ ahaya yi no okọ sa na sisi ade utumi se wo yi nanim se wo no wo ye NPP ni mapa wo no wo kuma NPP Okatakyie Afrifa se mahama ne ayato ma na yeso obeye nnwuma kese obeye nnwuma meye nnwuma kese no abobo ya eyi no de aba abobo ya ambulance ena wa so afi abrochire no de abegu ampa wo hwenso efenso Okatakyie Afrifa say ya bobo ya I say village no yeso aha na mahama aso abegu Ghana mana say wo bi yare ya na say de ne tum tentem so na de na ba ayare sabia kese en abehwe Okatakyie Afrifa say ya bobo ya mahama aye ni da no so enim say wo ba be ye niam kese no we wan ya kese ne nkete abobo ya na ode ya start Kevin Taylor say hey kanwanutum na wo sika waju MPP fo ho a ama wano aye dendenden niam wa ye no se wan kanwanu antuma me de wa pa wa nyina ba be trouble na chese Kevin Taylor say so Okatakyie Afrifa nkana no antuma expose pa wo de ne beba bontin hey mayenhwe Okatakyie Afrifa ne Kevin Emra
Masi and frame from America say catch your mama said jan wo ya na me say ade wa ya dey was yo wakwase sa ayi ntu ba hwa anadwo ba 11 na me fro na me say ayi me de say me sua de nti ni ase ojo mama de ambulance bi aba na ambulance no no de ayarefo begum na me say ade ayarefo be ya momfa ayo mama new ambulance no momfa nkyere Ghana fo na yenhwe bi yenhwe bi resetting resetting we do the above for chips compound no yamfa we mfa nipa we
more fire
abobo ya o abobo ya nyama kesi adwoma ma ebe ye no wo ya ma yen enie abobo ya e wa bra adwoma ma nim se
more fire
so obi yare ne de call hospital ya kase ambulance it comes with certain equipment a best sustaining nipa no
exactly.
And so when they may and mouth for any because the people I keep on telling you that the level of thinking of the people. Look at this gentleman. We will be arena the way to moi and your man ambulance mo said to me surviving in Panas and the Nakodu hospital. Look at the gentleman who is happy. Because can't wait to see us why you're arrogant. So it's not what I'm saying, it's what they are listening to. Because the people cannot they cannot comprehend, they cannot understand what is going on around them.
Exactly so.
They settle for less. It's your Bobo government. Mr. President, why are there? Mr. President, why are there?
It's time to kill Jandam. Or see a ku Jandam. Na Ghana phones and Ukraine between that Ghana. NPP 4 Makacham party no a Jandam party. Now one story way say a movie around. Enko focus say John Mahama MP NDC for Omakokra the ambulance biaba tricycles is Jandam. Sansem no omke kano Twitter, omke kano TikTok yaw pain. Omujin say Jimmy ye bicycle on 93 almost say ambulance. Almost say oh ambulance when John Mahama diaba Ghana for the Jimmy matwa MPP omoboa Jandam. Now let's break this down. Na Ghana for ehun no kreno if you say unim sa MPP we say we are number code and adwuma be fo amaye say Jandam any atro number code the job will be easy for us and we will be doing such an easy job and DC will be in power for 50 years. If this is how the MPP are going to go there, then people like us we are happy because you see support TV and I so be kind of actually the base mom de no cre actually Ghana for momo hu no cre there, then people like us and the NDC will be in power for 50 years. Now let's take care of business. All the way back in 2021, we're graphic online, we're daily graphic. And when ambulance needs one, and no MPP for and the omundam say, oh, Maton Kwasiaba, John Mahama, the fake ambulance Fubiaba, Jimmy Omoboa, Sa tricycles we are uno. All the way in 2021, August 13th, 2021. And now the chief of staff received locally made tricycle ambulances. Chief of staff from Pare 2021 and a donate ambulance with the MPP are buying. In fact, company no na a local company manufacture tricycles we. Inti manufacture tricycles no ena Ekufuado aban eye chief of staff Fremo Paridi enim eka se for tricycles ne mra. If you say tricycles no na mo de ko enkurase to se bi ambulance ni wo krampa ebe support de eye healthcare. Now let's read the story. So we read this story now. These are the facts, and there's nowhere I will say I didn't know cranny seal. We read this story. This is the story. And mature 13th August and a Daily Graphic a release this story no. Chief of staff and a J sa a tricycles no. A Frema opare. Almost say the chief of staff at the presidency, Mrs. Akosia Frema opare or say opare, yesterday received 2 rural motor king tricycle ambulances from LK International Company Ghana Limited as proof of the company's production capacity. So all the way in 2021, and a company now yes tricycles now, almost yes tricycles it is an ambulance no. The call Jubilee House they come Afrifa pare G because that company the person chere Ekufuado aban say yes sa tricycles we Ghana ye betime using nketenkete mu e wo bebi nketenkete say eno so ambulance into Ekufuado abreso ba obia ne Afrifa pare and omtena Jubilee House G tricycles way. Thank you Mr. S. NPP aban chief of staff and G tricycles way. Thank you, team. Is there a video? Yeah, thank you. I'll share the video. It is already story. Daily Graphic that this story we buy. Make sure maybe a source ni free. Now, I'll say the donation was the company's symbolic appreciation of government support in enrolling it under the flagship One District One Factory program. Into under One District One Factory and a company be a normal year tricycles. Yes, idea we can say, oh, yeah, they be a so who say. Sebio yenso yetumi eden eye sa nyoma we bi e Ghana. Inti John Mahama nkofa tricycle bi amba say ambulance. NDC aban enkofa tricycles bi amfri be bi amba say we ambulance and na omde aba eye atro eye NPP 4 abreso all the way back 2021. Now mama chewa de. Say o check so eye omwankasa daily guide kweku bako e the story ne to or say chief of staff receives locally made tricycle ambulances August 14th 2021. Inti so big jina baby catch us say John Mahama kofa tricycles abasa ambulance or kwasia we Jimmy. The NPP as a political party no Jimmy. They don't have any message for you. Party no ya the atro and a chichire party no. There's nothing about the party interesting. Everything about the party is a lie. Whoever speaks for the party is a liar. The communicators are born liars. Inti unwa the party is not attractive. Now, so person who jandam no more now. This is the jandam.
Abobo ya pragia kaya wuhu isu. Ambulance John Dramani Mahama ato ediama nofo esremu fo say wo monfa enfanko ayaresabia se obi hodo na wafasa ambulance na odiako na ndie wo yare na ka wo benante na abefa card yakono ko free ambulance we dia obedu wo na wawu enti independence na moto aba edemaye no abobo ya ene pragia ambulance ana yedi amamu sa ambulance we hu okroma ye frɛ no kumi preko Mahama ambulance kill me.
This is the party omo person about power. You see, enti JB Dankwa eka say they are the foolish masses. He wasn't wrong because he knows the level of intelligence omo onimiso omo Jimmy. Now, the same story Oba Ghana Web also reported on the same story. And tricycles in here. Northern Development Authority procures 30 tricycle ambulances for health facilities. Northern Development Authority and Sadano and NPP ba omiamo ba ebe chendini din NDA Northern Development Authority. Almost a company in Ghana at 30 of the tricycles.
But as I saw the bread train, stress or be pointy adomani notification bell, no be boss send attention TV for. Ya the Vibia to my coon crow once or one sa a bet can be a said Jumano, ye ye quay any man. Attention TV, yes, we inspire you more, my crowd.